So you might be in this random situation where for some reason your Snapchat account is logged. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing that you're going to want to do here is to go ahead and see what type of lock this is. If this is a temporary lock like it's showing here, then it's going to go through and be a pretty basic, lock, right? If you just wait a certain period of time, it's going to allow you to log back in. But if it's a permanent lock, right? If Snapchat made it look like that your account was maybe, it was violating some certain, big massive things within your account, or if you were spamming or scamming or anything like that, Snapchat has the right to go and ban your account if that ends up happening. So if that ends up happening, what you're going to have to do is contact Snapchat directly. What you could also do is if you have a lot of third-party plugins within Snapchat, if you're using like Snapchat Plus or anything like that, you might have to go through and basically just see if you're able to kind of like maneuver around those, delete those particular plugins, those things. That might be an easier way to kind of do this. Now, what I'd also recommend doing here is to go through and make your way over into Snapchat's like a lock account page. So what you can do is you can go ahead and type in Snapchat account locked. I spelled it wrong, but Snapchat account locked in your internet browser. And all you're going to want to do is you want to go and open up this particular page. It's going to tell you your Snapchat account is locked. And if you want to unlock your Snapchat account, all you're going to have to do is make your way over into snapchat.com. So you can just type in like Snapchat login. So you can type in Snapchat login like this. It's going to allow you to basically log into Snapchat account. And you're then going to be able to go through and basically get help within your Snapchat account. So you can go through and log in Snapchat that way. That might be another way to fix it too. So try doing it that way, and that's another option you have there as well. So there's a couple different ways to do it. If that still doesn't work, you can try updating Snapchat. So try updating your Snapchat application, but those are kind of the main ways to do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.